Does your hair stick out like this mannequin, right? Every single day your hair is very, very poofy. Some of you may like that, all right? Some of you may like this type of hairstyle, but let's just say you've got a ton of hair and you are just so fed up with your hair being super full, all right? Well, the first thing you can do is when you're getting your hair cut, you can ask the professional to thin your hair out. Usually that's done with thinning shears, okay? Thinning shears or a razor, but they should know how to do it. Just simply say to the stylist or barber, my hair is so heavy and thick, it just sticks straight up, there's too much hair. Can you please, take some weight out of it? Take some weight out of it. Now, how do you fix this at home? Okay, this is the biggest thing, is fixing this at home. Now, I'm gonna give you a simple tip here, all right? A simple tip, and also I'm going to use a couple of tools that are important, all right? First of all, I have my own hair clips now that I'm selling at shop.thesalonguy.com. It comes in a pack of 6, which is really awesome, a pack of 6, and hair clips really help. And these are alligator clips, okay? They're alligator clips. They're a lot stronger than your average clip. And why do you need a hair clip like this? Well, put it this way, we as professionals use them. And there's a reason why we use them, because look, you just clip the hair out of the way like this. This is nothing new, but I figured so many people are looking for tools and resources to make life a lot easier, whether you're cutting your own hair at home, cutting someone else's hair at home, styling your hair, whatever it is, these come in very handy. And it's only 12 bucks for a pack of 6, all right? Now, the next thing I'm going to talk about and use, which is ideal. This is essential to helping you style your hair and reduce the fullness, and that is a vent brush. This is the AntiStatic. This isn't just any vent brush. This is what makes this so important, and I wish I had this years and years ago. This is an AntiStatic vent brush. What that means is that as you're using the brush, look what's happening. Look, there's no static. There's no hair that is coming up. There's a lot of brushes out there on the market that when you brush the hair, it's like zzz, like an electric shock. The hair just flies over. Anti-static, and plus it has a rubber handle which allows for a really solid grip, which I love. It's like a tennis racket, a golf club. It's got that amazing grip on it that you need. So why would you be doing this? Well, here's the reason. When you're blow drying your hair, let's just say this hair is completely wet or it's dry. What you need to do is you need to work and manipulate the hair to reduce the bulk, okay? And you're also like trying to flatten, right? You're trying to flatten the hair. And how do you do that? Well, there's a technique which has been around for many years. I've been talking about this for many years, and we as professionals call it a flat wrap. And the flat wrap is when you're literally just wrapping the hair around with the blow dryer, okay? And what that's doing is it's actually flattening down the hair. It's like ironing your hair closer to your head. And it's a great resource and a great technique. I also have this blow dryer for sale on my website. So this is a great blow dryer as well. Comes with the nozzle and a diffuser. It's magnetic, so there you go. These have been selling like crazy, so thank you very much. But what you need to do is you work the nozzle right here, which is the attachment, with the vent brush, and you literally are like working the hair down, and look what's happening. It's flattening out the hair. Then what do? You put the tools down, take this next section with the clip it out of the way, and you see what I'm doing here? I'm using the bottom piece, this piece right here, as like almost like a ruler, right? Or something to separate the hair, right? And then you're going to go back into that same section that you just sectioned off, and you're going to do the same thing. And you're going to work the hair downwards. You're going to work it in all directions. You're going to work it forwards. You're going to work it around this way. What you want to do is you want to try to work the hair as much as you can into the way that the hair grows, right? The minute you start going against the way your hair grows, then that is going to make it even more full. So look at the difference between this, right? Look how smooth and flat now this is compared to all that fullness we still have here. And that's what makes the biggest difference. So in the very, very front, what I like to do is I like to just turn the brush, lock it into the hair into the brush, and then turn out. And what I'm doing now, and you'll see, is I'm working and ironing down the hair. I'm flattening the hair, right? This is the best thing to do. And also this really works well on hair lengths like this. If your hair is super, super short, if your hair's like, you know, an inch long, you have a buzz cut, I mean, yes, this kind of works, but this only really makes sense for people who have hair this length or even longer, all right? Just use common sense with this. You need hair in order to be able to manipulate it. The hair has to be long enough. So see what I'm doing here? I'm blow drying the hair all forward and around, right? Forward and around. And what this is doing, as you can see right away, even on the sides, I'm working it all this way. What this is doing, it's allowing for the hair to flatten, right? And to lay closer to the head. And look at the biggest difference. As you can see, we created a very, very big difference right here, and now the hair is so much softer. So say then, do you want to brush your hair on the side part? You can then work the hair over this way, and look at the biggest difference. Now, it's like night and day. All right, so it's a simple technique that you can do. It does require some effort, but it's possible. So, you know, let me know if you found this video helpful. If you do want to purchase any of my products or any of my tools, whatever it is, you can use code YouTube20 and you get 20% off and free shipping in the United States on orders with a value of over $50. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.